Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to link your bank account to your Fidelity account. So as you can see here, I have a new Fidelity account. Need to add a bank account. So at the very top right, you see the person icon. So click on the person icon. From here, you're going to scroll down a little bit until you see the section that says banks and cards. So under that, you'll see an option that says linked accounts and banks. So click on there. And on this screen at the very bottom, you'll see the option to add. So click on add. And here you'll see a bunch of different options on ways to transfer money from your bank account or whatever account to Fidelity. It says EFT, bank wire, PayPal, Venmo, or another Fidelity account. But in this situation, I'm trying to add a bank account. So you're going to click on EFT, and then at the very bottom, there's another prompt. Who do you want to send money to? I'm going to click on myself and click on continue. Bank transfer to myself. Here's what's next. We'll send you a security code to verify your identity. You'll need your bank account's routing and account numbers. In some cases, you'll need your online banking username and password for a faster connection between accounts. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, it's going to bring up this screen here. How do you want to transfer money? We're going to select EFT, also known as electronic fund transfer. This option is the free option to send money between your accounts. However, it will take between like 1 to 3 days. The next option is a bank wire. Now it sends the same day before 4 p.m., but there's a chance that you're going to be charged a fee. So who owns this bank account? I'm going to select the prompt for myself. Is this bank a business account? So whatever applies to you. This is going to be a personal checking for me, so I'm going to select no. And now here, how do you want to add your banking information? Option 1, you could log onto your bank account through online banking, or option 2, you could enter in your banking information on your own. So for this option, you just need to have your routing number, account number. There's a chance you might have to log onto online banking anyways. And I'm just going to select the first option, log on to my bank with that company there. So I'm going to click on continue. Okay, we're going to be using this business as a MasterCard company, so I'm going to be logging on to my online banking, clicking on next. So here you're going to select your bank. If your bank isn't on this list here, just type in the name of your bank. Okay, after you've selected your bank, I'll bring you to the next screen. You're going to click on next, and you're going to log on as you would your online banking. Now it's verifying my online banking credentials, and then it's going to want to verify you, so I'm going to select on sending me a text, and I'm going to confirm my verification code, click on continue again, and then it's going to ask you what account you're going to want to use for funds transfer. So I'm going to select on the account that I want to use to transfer money from, and then click on save. So for that portion, I'm going to have to blur a lot of that out for privacy reasons, but you should get the gist of it. Okay, so your bank accounts are now linked to your eligible Fidelity account, so this is good news. I could click on that X at the top left. And that, as a nutshell, is how you add a bank account to your Fidelity account. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.